Hello there, my name is Emmanuel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk tech. We're going to be talking about the Itel A60 by Itel. So let's begin. Opening the box, we have the Itel A60 device itself with the specs highlighted on the poster. Now to the main box contents. We have the SIM ejector tool, the 10-watt charging brick, the 3.5mm headphone jack, the micro USB cable, the plastic CPU case, and finally the MTN voucher, the free 500 MTN voucher that comes with the device. For the display, the Itel A60 comes with a 6.6 inches LCD display accompanied with a 60 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and animation. Scrolling was quite smooth and sharp. Also, I tried watching YouTube videos at the highest resolution 1080p. It was quite okay. The colors were vibrant and sharp. It looks colorful though, and it has this textured design. Feels really premium for a budget smartphone like this, and feels kind of zigzag when at hand. Also, I love the frame. Looks like a matte finish. We've got a matte finish on here. It looks very smooth. Bottom, we have the Itel branding. For the SIM slot, it houses two 4G nano SIM cards and a micro SD card for expandable storage. Bottom of the device, we have the speaker, micro USB port, and the microphone. The top of the device, we have the headphone jack. The Itel A60 runs on Google's Android 12 Go edition, which is quite cool and fascinating. The UI on the device looks very great and fabulous. You would mistake it for a mid-range or flagship device because the icons, everything looks very modernized, stylish, techy, classic, and all of that. Thanks to Itel for this. It's one of the best budget phones in the market right now. The Itel A60 comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. I tried playing a couple of games on this device and the result was quite okay. Colors popped out and everything was smooth and vibrant. They're not high-end games, but the Itel A60 still delivers as a budget smartphone. The camera at the back, we've got the 8-megapixel main camera, a depth sensor, and the fingerprint reader. Also at the front, we've got the 5-megapixel camera. The camera on this device is quite sharp, and I was very amazed when I took photograph with the front facing camera, to be precise. It was detailed and exceptional. I didn't believe this would ever be in a budget smartphone. The 5-megapixel front-facing camera is very sharp, quite sharp for a budget smartphone like this. It delivers, honestly. I was very fascinated at the results it gave me. I'm a mobile photographer, and the details, everything on my face gave me clearly.
Some photos taken on the Itel A60.
Pricing: the Itel A60 retails for 53,900. You can order it on Jumia or buy it at official stores around you. Are you buying or selling? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share so more people can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Peace.